Hello everyone, thanks for joining me in today's video. I had planned to do this video in July. I thought what better way to end Christmas in July than with a giveaway. So I placed an order during the Echo Park warehouse sale thinking that it may somehow show up before July was over, but it did not come in time for me to do the video in July. Although we're halfway through August, that's okay. We're going to do it today. I didn't buy much because I mainly wanted to get something for the giveaway, but I did get a couple of things for myself. So I'll be sharing the few things I got from the warehouse sale and let you know what you will have a chance to win. Now I do have a special gift aside from the Echo Park collection that will be part of the giveaway. It's something I bought for myself and as a couple of Christmas gifts for my family, and I wanted to include one in the giveaway. So I hope you like it. And you can consider if it's something that you can't use, you could consider giving it as a gift during the holidays, because it is packaged in a little gift box ready to give. So let's do this. All right. It's just a small box. I didn't get a whole big bunch of things here. Okay. So let's try to get this sorted out. I believe this is a new collection. It's called Harvest. And I don't typically buy fall paper, but I thought maybe I could make some Thanksgiving cards. That's not something that I have made in the past, but I thought maybe they might sell at my craft fairs. And I just love fall paper, and so I'm honestly just looking for an excuse to use fall paper. That's really what it boils down to. Let's see, I'm going to put my ruler on this sticky part so it'll be easier to get back in there. So I'm going to go through this collection real quick and let you see what it looks like. And I love this paper that has texture. It's just so nice with all this texture. It's got some pretty different colored pumpkins. Beautiful rust color. And some cut aparts. I love fall. Fall is my favorite season, but I also love Christmas. So some pretty fall leaves. I like the color palette in this collection. I think it's so pretty. Some pretty cut aparts there. Pumpkins. Pretty florals. Some more cut aparts. So I have made, I've used these cut aparts to make journals and notepads in the past, and people don't seem to like the fall themed things. So I kept thinking, what in the world can I use this beautiful paper for? So we will see how the Thanksgiving cards do. These are really pretty. I love this collection. Alright, and then there's some stickers. Hope you can see those. Alright, and that's all for that one. I did get some, sorry for the noise. Oh, I can put that together later. Save you the sound. Okay, I did get some matching, let's see. Got the matching enamel dots to go with that collection to use on Thanksgiving cards. I have Happy Thanksgiving stamps, and so I'll be able to use that on my cards. I also got some washi tape. I got this peppermint stripe washi tape I plan to use on my little kid craft packs. And then I got this one. I think I'll probably use this on like envelopes for Christmas when I send cards out. And so that's all I got for myself. Let's see. So for the giveaway, I got the Baking Spirits Bright collection. And I just thought it was such a fun collection that I thought it's something that a lot of people would like. I like to win. So I'm gonna open it up, and so we can look at all the pages, and you can determine if it's something that you would like to have. And then we'll put it back together. And there are some other pieces in here to go with it. So we've got this beautiful sticker sheet here. I love the baking themed papers. They're so good. I like to use these in my recipe keepers. They work really good for that. The strips down here are so cute. You can use these for so many things. I love that. Okay. So here's a sheet. Gingerbread Lane. Santa stops here. Cocoa and cookies. That's really cute. I like the colors in there. Ooh, and a pretty gingerbread theme. I love that. I'm trying to keep this together so it'll look like it did when I opened it. Little tiny counterparts. Lots of different things there. Christmas countdown is what that is. That's cute. You could make an Advent type project out of that. Oh, look at those KitchenAid mixers. And the bowls. That is so sweet. I love this collection. I almost wish I would have bought one for myself. I might have to go back and buy another one. Gingerbread. Some little flowers. Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Cute. Some poinsettias. There's some cute little kettle parts. Your days be merry and bright. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Winter wishes. Candy Lane kisses. Cute. Ooh, I love the peppermint striped paper. That's always one of my favorites. Got some Christmas colored aprons. And some plaid. Can never go wrong with plaid paper. These look like cookie Christmas trees. Those are cute. And green with some, looks like holly leaves. It's pretty Pretty cut arts here. Gingerbread Lane Cookie Company, Mrs. Claus Bake Shop. Some snowflakes. Some red snowflakes. Got some Christmas trees. Gingerbread and candy canes. I like this one. It's cute. And we've got Baking Spirits Bright. Cookies and Milk, Property of Santa. We Whisk You a Merry Christmas. Some red and green plaid. This one's so cute. And some red plaid. And that's the full collection there. Gonna put that back in. So nothing gets lost. I tell you, when you shop those warehouse sales, if you wait very long, they really sell out of their items pretty fast. So sometimes I'll add things to the cart and I'll come back to it and it'll be gone. So, okay. Now also for the giveaway, excuse me, I also bought this coordinating solids paper pack. So if you want to make cards out of these, it's nice to have the solids, or for journals or for anything. But it's matching. It's a matching set there. I also am including the Baking Spirits Bright enamel dots. And you'll also, the winner will also get a pack of titles and phrases, ephemera. There are a lot of cute little things in here, if you can see that. That's included. And some of this cute little gingerbread washi tape. This is cute. I thought, I want some of that for myself, so I'm probably going to order this set for myself later. Of course, I'll wait till it goes on sale because I don't like paying full price for anything. Now, there was a little problem with the order because I also got for the giveaway this Baking Spirits Bright die set. And I also ordered the stamp set, the matching stamp set. I guess they sold out of the stamp set, so they didn't send it to me and they gave me a refund. And then they sent me this die set for free. Now, the die set really is of no use, really, if you don't have the stamp set to match it. So, you know, the winner, when you email me, let me know if you want this die set. If you could, because you can still get the stamp set on scrapbook.com. So if you plan to buy the stamp set and you want this die set, let me know in the email that the winner sends me, and I will include this also. If you don't want it, then I will keep it and hopefully be able to get the stamp set. I guess I'll just keep it. So anyway, that was supposed to be included, but there was a little hiccup, and that's okay. It's all right. So here's the extra special gift. As you can see, it's already wrapped in a cute little gift box. And I'm going to show you what it is. I thought these were so cute. If you've ever heard of Temptations, if you shop on QVC, they sell Temptations. And it's a brand that makes bakeware and all types of beautiful bakeware. And so, that's what this is. It's by the Temptations. In the it's a Christmas collection. I can't remember the name. I think it's Peppermint and Holly. And it is a spoon holder. So you can use this during the holidays at Christmas. And it's got a little divot here, so your spoon, it's a spoon rest. I'm not sure what I called it, but anyway, you don't have to use it as a spoon rest. You could put some little candies for a candy dish, or I don't know, you could use it for an appetizer dish or anything you want to. But I thought these were so cute, and they came in a set of 4. And I plan to give 2 of them away and keep 1, and I wanted to give 1 in the giveaway. So I hope you like this design. I think it's so pretty. And this is a piece that you will keep forever because they are made so well. So that's the extra gift, and that'll be included in the giveaway. So, all right, that's about it. Here are the rules. The drawing, well, I'll be drawing for a winner on Saturday, August the 16th. The rules for the giveaway is to please subscribe to my channel, please like this video, and please leave a comment if you want to be entered. Leave Christmas in July, and that way I'll know that you want to be entered in the giveaway. Sometimes people like to leave comments on my giveaways, and they don't actually want to be entered, so that's how I'll know. Please, only US only. I'm so sorry. And then once I announce the winner on Saturday, that'll be this Saturday, email me at Shanda, shanda.simplecreations@yahoo.com. Don't forget that little dot there, or that period, because that's important. And send me an email, and I'll get this gift right out to you. So thank you all so much for watching. Good luck, and I will see you on Saturday.